Welcome to the Corner Perspective. Hi, I'm Bruce Spangler, CEO of the Volunteer Ministry Center. Located on the corner of Broadway and Fifth Avenue, the Volunteer Ministry Center is dedicated to ending and preventing homelessness. Most of the time I'm here to talk about our housing programs, but today I'd like to focus on our dental clinic because we provide that service not only in-house, but we provide it to folks who are experiencing homelessness as well as Knox County residents. At this time, I'd like to introduce you to Paula Mays, who is our dental coordinator. I'm so excited to have you, Paula, here as part of our conversation about the dental clinic. You are a coordinator. Would you share with me about what y'all do there?
Yes, I am the dental coordinator here at Volunteer Ministry Center, and we have a small but very well-equipped clinic here that we have volunteer dentists who come in and help us out and see our patients. We do a variety of things. We do fillings, cleanings, and extractions, and we just try to help out our neighbors as best as we can and keep them in good dental health.
Yeah, would you say that the lack of access to oral health care is a concern in our community, right?
It is a very big concern. We have a lot of people who come in who have infections, they have teeth that need to be extracted, and they're in pain. Mm-hmm. And we need to take care of them and get them out of pain as best we can and as soon as we can.
And one of the ways that we are able to help is due to the generous contributions of dentists. Like, who is with you today?
Today we have Dr. John Osborn, who is a local dentist here in the Knoxville area.
Well, John, thank you so much for your time and commitment to our clinic. Why do you do this?
I kind of have a soft spot in my heart for the people here. If you look far enough, you probably have a family member that's experienced the same thing. Mm-hmm. Nobody sets out to be homeless or substance abuse or unemployed or any of those things. And through probably some bad choices and circumstances beyond their control, people end up needing help. And it's really a blessing to be able to offer that help to people who want it.
Sure. And so in many ways, Paula and John, you put smiles on faces that may not have had that opportunity because of the lack of care or reason. What has been the greatest reward, John, in terms of providing your services here?
It's a different situation than in the practice. You come here and you find out what the people need, and that's what you do. You do the best you can. And so it's really rewarding to see somebody that you know is in pain, and when they leave, they're not anymore.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And Paula, what's rewarding about your position?
I think seeing our neighbors come in and they're, again, out of pain, they're happy, they're smiling. Some have gone out and gotten jobs. They've bettered their life because they've come through our clinic and have gotten the help that they need.
Yeah, that's a good point. That a lot of folks who are in service work and doing frontline service to have good oral health care is so important and so valuable. And sometimes the lack of that can mean you don't get the job. I guess you've had that situation, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Well, one of the things with the Volunteer Ministry Center is that we combine our dental services with our services to empower folks to permanent housing. So you play a big role in that because you can't be healthy without housing. You can't be healthy without good oral health care. What would you want the general public to know about the dental clinic of the Volunteer Ministry Center? John, I'll start with you and then we'll conclude with Paula.
It's really a well set up clinic. The equipment's nice. It's not all brand new, but it's functional. It works very well. And for the type of dentistry that's done here, it's ideal.
Very good. Paula?
I would just like the public to know that we are here to serve the people of Knox County, not just the homeless, but also the low income. The dentists that come here are all very professional, and they take very good care of our patients.
Yeah, that they certainly do, and so do you, Paula. They're always greeted with both your smile and your graciousness. So Paula and John, thank you for joining with me on this episode of The Corner Perspective.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.